Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share a part of our life with all you beautiful people. We did something over the weekend which we felt really inspiring, and the only reason behind sharing this with you is to be motivated and to be inspired from each other. We are not here to show off anything, but it is something special that I feel must be shared so that it even inspires a larger mass. So before I move on to our story, can you please do me a small favor? Can you please subscribe to my channel and also please hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post my next video. So this weekend was quite special. I had taken a content break, which I think all content creators need once in a while. There was a space where I wanted to do a couple of things. Now, we did something for the community around us. I know that is something very basic, like right from our childhood, we are taught by our parents to always give back to the community. I remember when I was a child, my father used to always tell me that, whenever you see someone who needs our help, just give them 5 rupees or 10 rupees or 15 rupees, whatever you have, give them a part of it, because that is the purpose of our life. And I'm pretty sure all of you might be already doing it. But I feel the urge of giving back to the community increases as we grow more and more. But there's also a drawback. As we start growing more, we tend to, start getting deviated so much towards our goals that at times we forget to give back to the community. May it be a service, may it be in form of some rupees, or may it be in form of some clothes or food or anything. The main goal is to help the people who are in need of something by whatever means we can. I strongly believe that when you have clear and good intentions to achieve something from the bottom of your heart, there is always a sign sent from universe. Something similar happened to us over the weekend. This weekend, we actually met two amazing persons who inspired us to do something which was on our to-do list from long. We are a huge fan of podcast, and this weekend we watched podcast of Omar with Rash. I highly recommend you to watch that video. I'm going to leave the link in my description, and I really wish you watch that video. Now that guy Rash is from Singapore, and can you believe his next goal is to give $1 million to the community. In that video, you will be able to understand how that one intention of giving back to the community can help you achieve so many things and can change you so much as a person. Second person who really inspired us was an 18-year-old boy. My husband recently met him over a cup of coffee, and they both were just discussing usual things. That 18-year guy has such a positive mindset, and he explained my husband that how much it is important to give back to the community. What he basically does is he gives his services and he gives his expertise for free, and he literally made him understand that by just giving back his services, or by just giving that intention of giving back, how his life has changed. I feel I might have to do a separate video on his mindset because it was so inspiring. Now that 18-year guy, if I think today, I don't even remember who as a person I was when I was 18-year-old. But that guy literally is something onto the next level. When you meet such people, you feel inspired, and that is how we felt inspired and we did something. I always feel that as an individual or as a couple or as a family, one should always have that rule to give back to the community. So from past 1 year, we are giving back to the community in form of service, in form of food, and in form of money on our birthdays and on our anniversary. But after watching that podcast and after meeting that guy, we felt that we are doing so less in terms of giving our service. And that's when something that I had in my back of the mind from past 6 months finally happened. So from past 6 months, I was thinking of giving away my old clothes, of course in well-to-do condition, to the Salvation Army. So if you are in India, it's easy to give off your clothes to people who work at your home or to people whom you think they are in need of clothes. But unlike India, that's not the case here. So Salvation Army is the place where you can go and donate your clothes, your shoes, or your jackets, or anything, and then they give it to the people who are in need of it. I had that thing in my list, but I think I was not considering it as my priority. So that's what we finally did over the weekend. On Friday evening, after watching that podcast, we finally dumped all our clothes together, and on Saturday we went and gave it to the Salvation Army. And I can tell you, like, that to inspiring people became our motive to do something which was on our to-do list from so long. So the other thing that happened was very unusual for us. It is not about the money that we spent, but it is about the intention that we suddenly had in our mind. So on Saturday evening, we were returning from somewhere, and we were already in discussion of how we can, give back to the community. Like, we were discussing how can we remind each other when to give, how to give, and how to improvise ourselves on giving back to the community. Now that's when we stopped at a stop signal, and we saw a flower guy standing in the scorching heat. It is really very hot over here. He was standing in that scorching heat. It was around 3 p.m. and he was trying to sell his flower bouquets to people around. He was like going from car to car, and he was trying to look into the car just the way people do in India. He was doing the same thing. That's when I told my husband that, you know what, let's buy a flower bouquet. It was hardly $5 and $10. That was his range. So this was quite unusual. So my husband was like, do you really want to buy it? And that's when I just told him that I feel that this is kind of giving back to him, just with an intention of helping him to survive in his life. And we quickly called him and we quickly bought the flower bouquet. We bought the smaller one, we bought the $5 one. So after going from there, we realized that the small intention of $5 was actually something that was helping to the local community. These are very basic things, and I know you all might be doing it, but I feel there's a reminder that has to happen for each one of us over the time. And for us, that one particular podcast and that guy were two intentions that came in our life at the right time, and that helped us do something which was on our back of the mind from so long. As you all know, I am into reading books so much, and I can't tell you that this intention of giving back to the community has been emphasized so much in all the books, may it be Gaur Gopal's book, may it be Robin Sharma, may it be Jim Kwik or anyone. You will realize that every entrepreneur or every leader has always mentioned about giving back to the community. The purpose of recording this video was just to remind each other that once in a while, like, have a defined set of rules, sit with your family, think about when can you regularly donate or when can you regularly give your service. See, it's all about giving the value. Doesn't matter how much money you spend after it, even if you spend $5 or $10, it doesn't matter. I really can't tell you in words that those $5 that we actually gave to the flower guy felt like 50 times more. I mean, it was that value, it was that happiness, and it was that intention that has now inspired us to do it on regular basis. We are still yet to define our set of new rules which we have to follow, but I'm sure that we are going to do it more and more, because it's wisely said that if you have $10 or if you have 10 rupees, then make sure that you give a part of it to the people who need it. Because if you are able to eat, to have your food 2 times a day, it's more than enough. If you are having a stable life, it's more than enough, but only when you give it back to the community. So this was something, a part of our life, that I shared with you with only and only one intention, and that is reminding each other to give back to the community. I am not a person who would usually share my personal story, but I felt that this must be shared because it was really inspiring for us, and I hope that this also inspires you, motivates you, and reminds you of how you can give back to the community. If you find this video useful, inspiring and motivating, do please drop a comment below. And if you have any other ideas which can help us to set a defined rule of giving back to the community, then do please drop a comment below. I would be more than happy to work on your ideas as well. So once again, do please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned till next Wednesday. Thank you so much.